How to turn off restricted mode on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off restricted mode on your TikTok application easily. So first of all guys, open up your TikTok app, and if you guys want to turn off restricted mode, all you guys need to do is to go to your profile and then click on these three lines at the top right corner, and then tap on settings and privacy. And from over here guys, you just need to click on this option, which is content preferences, and it will take you right here. We have two options, as you can see. We have filter video keywords and restricted mode. So you just need to click on restricted mode, and as you guys can see, it's already off on my phone. But if you have it on by any chance, just turn it off from over here and your TikTok restricted mode will be off. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you for watching. Take care. Until next time.